Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy a diagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Once you are logged into your account here on Lucidchart, copying a diagram is very easy and can be done with simple steps. Number one option is, for example, this is the diagram that you wanted to copy. I need you to hover to the file section and click the make a copy, which has the control plus shift plus S shortcut. If you do that, you will be able to have a copy of this diagram. All right. And I want you to click on OK. What will happen is you would be forwarded to a new page where is the new copied file of your original diagram. All right, you can duplicate that. All right, so another option that you can do is go to the main page and then hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Documents. And from here, choose the document or diagram that you wanted to copy. All right. All I have to do is click the three dot section here, click the copy. You see that item successfully copied to a clipboard. That's one way. Another option that you can do is right click on it and create a duplicate, and that would give you another copy of the same diagram version. All right, because making a copy of the diagram is handful if you want to try new ideas or modifications while keeping the original intact. You can save different versions of the diagram to track changes or experiment with different approaches without the risk of losing important information. And of course, you can copy diagrams to share with team members. For example, here, you can share it with your client, especially for working with multiple freelancers. You can click the edit and share, edit, comment, and view, and click the shareable link if you want, and copy that and manage the collaborators. You can send copies of a diagram tailored to different audiences or stakeholders, adjusting the content as they need. All right, because the idea is that copying important diagrams as a backup in case of errors or accidental deletions. Of course, you can save copies of finished diagrams in multiple locations for added security and easy retrieval. All right, by going to the file, click on the export, for example, PDF, would be forwarded here. Now you can make a copy of this via PDF, PNG, JPEG, and SVG. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.